let us prepare ourselves to meditate. I invite you to take a nice, long, deep breath and exhale, and let your body relax. Let us consciously release tensions held in the body, relaxing our feet, just becoming aware of your feet, and just feel yourself letting go. Relaxing the calves and the thighs, allowing your abdomen and stomach to relax. Relaxing your hands and forearms and shoulders. Letting your abdomen and stomach relax. Just send the thought, relax and let go. Relaxing your chest and your back. Becoming aware of your neck, relaxing the front and the back and the sides. Relaxing your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, your ears, your nose, your lips, your tongue, your forehead, your scalp, your whole body from the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Letting go, letting go, letting go. And now bringing awareness to the flow of your breathing, helping to bring your attention into the present moment and to move beyond thought and to experience presence, to experience infinite consciousness expressing in and as you. Just watch your breathing now. And remember the truth that I am spirit. I'm an expression of the one presence in activity, universal consciousness, expressing as me. That I am spirit being me. I'm a spiritual being having a human experience. And I let this presence express in me. I become still and quiet, receptive. To the inflow, to the experience of my true nature. To this unlimited energy, the energy that has expressed and manifested as all creation. And that presence is right where I am. So let us just rest in the stillness now, receptive to this activity and this divine flow. And I know within myself God is my source. God is my source. My source of life, my source of healing, my source of energy and creativity and ideas, the source of all good in my life. God is the source. Comes through many different avenues and channels and instruments. But Spirit is the one true source. And I'm grateful for all the many ways that it has expressed in my life and continues to express in my life. I anticipate the wonderful good, the wonderful blessings that unfold and are unfolding. And I include friends and family in this healing, loving, prospering presence. I send them my love. I send them joy and light. I acknowledge that all these qualities are already within them. And I see and know that each one is expressing them fully and completely. We include every person on the planet itself, the environment, the earth, the animals, all of life. We acknowledge that underlying all of it is the one source, the one life. And we unite with spiritual seekers around the world in knowing this truth together. And we bring our awareness now back to our body, moving toes, moving fingers, hearing the sounds around us, and letting our eyes adjust to the lighting. And so it is. Amen.